use an iron and sulfur-free grinding disc specially designed for stainless steel. Grinding steel contaminates the stainless steel grinding disc. Stainless steel that has been ground could then rust. Use special plastic or aluminum clamping jaws. They protect the workpiece from steel contaminants on the vise and from imprints. Even speeds above 10,000 RPM can have a negative impact on the stainless steel. Therefore, reduce the speed to 7,000 RPM to avoid excessive heat buildup. The right grinding disc for the material, no contamination, and the angle grinder set to 7,000 RPM, the workpiece clamped with plastic clamping jaws. This is how you can grind a chamfer, for example. Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.